Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we are talking about can we use TikTok videos as live wallpaper on iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So firstly, what you need to do is just simply select the video which you want to use as live wallpaper. So after selecting the video, what you need to do is just simply tap on share icon, and now you have to locate for live wallpaper option here. If it's showing here live wallpaper option, then you'll be able to use TikTok video as live wallpaper. If it's not showing here, you can use live photo for TikTok video. So if you want to do it, just simply tap on live wallpaper. Now it's converting into live photo. Now it's done. From here, go back, and now you have to tap on photo option, and now you have to tap on this. Now you have to select the live photo from here like this. So you can also loop it from here. Okay guys, I'm going to tap on live. Now tap on this. Now scroll it down from here. Now tap on use as wallpaper. Now tap on done. Now tap on set as wallpaper here. Now it's done from here. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.